Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Suresh Achalya. Our today's topic is retina. The retina is the innermost light sensitive layer of the tissue of the eye of most vertebrates and some molluscs. The optics of the eye create a focus, two-dimensional image of the visual word on the retina, which then processes that image within the retina and sends nerve impulses along the optic nerve. The optic nerve to the visual cortex to create visual precipitations. The retina serves a function which is in many ways analogous to that the film or image sensor in a camera. The natural retina consists of several layers of the nervous cells interconnected by the synapses and is supported by an outer layer of the pigment epithelial cell. The primary light sensing cells in the retina are the photoreceptor cells, which are of two types, rods and cones. Rods function mainly in a dim light and provide monochromatic vision. Cones functions is in well lit conditions and are responsible for the prescriptions of color through the use of a range of opsins as well as high acuity vision used to tasks such as reading, a third type of light sensing cells. The photosensitive ganglion cell is important for entertainment of circadian rhythm and reflexive responses such as the pupillary light reflex. Light striking the retina initiated as a cascade of the chemical and electrical events. That's unlimited trigger nerve impulses that are sent to various visual centers of the brain through the fibers of the optic nerve. Natural signals from the rods and the cones undergo processing by other nerves, whose output takes the form of action potentiated in retinal ganglionic cell, whose axons from the optic nerve. Several important features of the visual prescription can be traced to the rational encoding and processing of light. In vertebrate embryonic development, the retina and the optic nerve originate as other growth of the developing brain. Specifically, the embryonic diencephalon, thus the retina is considered part of the central nervous system, that is CNS, and is actual brain tissue. It is the only part of the CNS that can be visualized non-invincible. Much like the rest of the brain is isolated from the visual system via the blood-brain barrier, the retina is similarly protected by the blood-retinal barrier. The vertebral retina is inverted in a sense that the light sensing cells are in the back of the retina. So that light has to pass through layer of the nervous and capillary before it reaches the photosensitive sections of the rods and the cones. The ganglionic cell whose axons from the optic nerve are at the front of the retina. Therefore, the optic nerve must cross through the retina en route or to the brain. In this region, there are no photoreceptors, giving rise to the blind spot. In contrast, in the cephalopod, retina is the photoreceptor are in the front, with processing neurons and capillaries behind them. Because of these, cephalopods do not have a blind spot. So this is all about the retina. So thank you.